I don't know there. Ushia obi ofre buchiraba. Atade bi ehye ni bi atade de afu ofre buchire bai. Etimi me space be afiri bai enti. Space ni ye kama mama
to nyame. We ade aye de bai just for the wedding.
Yenim.
What was it? Eti branded.
Okay. Mamisha say free cancel it to me 5 minutes. On the man on celebrity say am to me
yes, my 5 minutes.
A lot of artists are saying other concerns. I'm my common air dome. It's
the kind. No good woman say, me fa chia kese en comment for nyina. Na me ma Ken and Tracy na watwe dapa. Se bredi o ma consummate awade no. Happy 1 week. Na ade a yesu aye ewo awaresem ni say ukọ awade ase na ye second marriage na so bi o ware bi o ye wedding bi a second marriage nti omo ye second so first omo divorce you no worry bi nti second marriage na ye wedlock no am kom choose sorry dem no yes ya wo hwese kan e di twa cake na e kire obema no ne bema yo that's penetration and performance.
That's right.
Nti wo hwese kan a kan mu di twa cake na na ewa na ye fia wo nti nyame ne eda na se Tracy sena ne sisi tie nyame ayi na dom waje ama sisi ade obi anfa complain bae e ma no so obona mo nche na ati se muti ya bom se ade pa bi afim fie ya ti room bebere se busua bi se e be bo kokoko ene amba amamre kwansu obi bo kokoko no amba kokoko nya wade onfie e yanim guase se obi be krumo be ka so be bo bas kokoko
metula bo kokoko na me hwe na me komachi
eno ano no na girl obi se girl no ni nam eno girl bi a wutie me ne wadom fm a woni abrante bi nam na ho so ye ukọ awade ase ukọ yi ase ukọ party ase na ohia de ho so a jane tem
na ko fa bo
na gide de anunjom be fi ase ye tu ohia ase
na gade sa ase ga betuma ka sa asa me ware me yire na me kasa asana me be ware me na me ne ma
wale ya wale fo kasa
ana ma ko ware ma ni nyina
sa won so a wuti fi aye wuti aye ye obeme bi
ase we shouldn't be hypocrite.
That's it.
Ebra am be ware me yire.
Ase yo okay.
No.
Ni obi twempena. Na wo kosia ne owo ska.
Jano, twin na wade. Ubi say guy not who say o correct guy.
Enti
my two.
Afutu oboni ya.
My two. Who say o correct guy no. Kwame men for yan kan kwasi asem. Men for yan kan kwasi asem. My two. Enu podi
na Ghana how na ware obi.
Oh, na Kwame jadio kan
ya wodi akire.
Amire me di akire.
My two. Who say branch na we bi ni ba na oye nyum no. Who say utu nufo ne? Who make a very very sensible statement. Wa wade ana? No see, on your binet. You no see until one plan. One tia say e kire ma o kan no. We sua say o de obi de hie bi di agro. Wa ka kire no. Wa so ka kire no. Say ne say e kuru no. Man krofo hu say wo ayen ware wo no. Enya hye wo na yen pratwe bi a wotwe. Se na bi a woni be ba ho so. Na wan na man koye de eken enti se na Kwame nti ase emfa me ho menya kan ba celebrity so ya gi oyese omo se ya gi omo nu aduane FDA fo ngi obi anu aduane ndi what your friend Johnny Walker advert one na Johnny Walker advert okuruma so be kaya
me kan se
men kamo yawo tama mo abiji di no ye ne ye Johnny Walker akwa be na no Johnny Walker. Charity doesn't begin on TV. Charity doesn't begin in any church or any school. It doesn't begin in governance. Charity begins at home. So why is this ostrich behavior? And now we want to protect our children. What was it? Because I determine what my kids will watch because I run their life. What was it? And just to make them say, Councillor Lutot, or no one sa etafri na no enema akolebi suan sanoma. I don't think we are learning blindly.
But they are almost so regulators.
No, but this is not regulation. This is not regulation. You see, yes, you'll be regulated. I think that you regulate a product from the manufacturers. What was it? So that at least no kind of health benefit, say benefit. I don't go focus signing 7 Nigerians. See, you interview around. Listen to what they said. Oh, see, this drink is medicinal. It clears in a flame in my body. It clears every flame I get in my body. This thing I drink, I feel better and good than any other thing. So somebody is talking about the purpose of the drink. What must I say? Now, every advert at Oklahoma, this advert is perverted and approved by FDA.
Say
This
you
advert,
go.
blah, 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 blah,
I'm kind of telling them say
this advert, blah, 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 blah. This advert, blah, blah. I did a budget. I mean, see, my question is that if all these telling us that you have approved the product, wherefore do we stand and say, celebrity or we are celebrating Okroma? Obi a brand ambassador for a product no you see ebe man kwala senti ye fie krom. My first question is that enkrofo ekoya de me enye social media ka minim da sa donko eko Nigeria minim da enye social media ka minim o. So what you are talking about Ghana ha the only time I mean who say Ghana yet me regulate social media e what time my minister bibi ba video ba ye WhatsApp on abayo because that Oscar NDC for time minister ba could be ba immediately let me block you on WhatsApp and who just so here enya the party me can say we say enter me phone for na phone.
What is my definition of poor person? Now poor be a poor the definition is
now this you go and tell or ba what fight or ya me say my cousin no worry him ba na me say or board home station yate and you man credit what is it onu hineba bisa ne say wa wale da be no wale e ma hin wa wale na say de wen no te ho ye kase men wale o yenia ye se men wale o yenia ni koku apai no onu se no de ni sike nyina hwe ni mba ni sesi ano ni mba be na be fi flashing toilet mako public toilet
me definition is o say uni adwuma ya
na ma define poor way anya no Mike who can okrepa organ ha my social media was blocked for 1 year because me koka say don't allow a poor man to marry you but omo block you no me nyansa because I define who a poor man is. Never allow a poor man to marry you, a man who cannot feed himself 3 square meals a day.
And they work Canada
and what is say my can we e ban say na got na we say me say nkola na dwo okru mu a oba bia wuti mu ware o yanya obewu ntam wakob se sikiti we se sia ye twem o dia die bi be fie anya wo hu hwe die be yo
because we got the pace is set and you wa hwe pace no so na obeda da ho na
say efia mu nyina tete we ka tie mu o tumi nkita die we e ma fa die bi be fie ha
social media Facebook
Obi only name plate. Obi only name plate.
I'm FD on FDA. I don't want 06.3 FM. I'm going to tell me how much we're to me at 748220. Near baby. FDA Councillor and I can say, and I drop you. Yeah, come on, FDA. The ban on celebrities almost mean alcohol advert ne ambassadors ne keka ho no e ho nkoma san ba bio na ayedi nti na ma meji o
yeah me da was Mike ne adomati fo nyina asemo me kai say 4 years ago ho nkomodie bai that was when na ho popo ya na bai ye be bandi o mo ya tetia na pa soja and no say na esi kan obi eni ho a or endorse any alcoholic beverages. Apart from that, Mike, celebrities on more they are making so we concert free who are endorsement deals in a wow. Concerts don't was sent within a year. But yes, within a year in a calendar year, one of the biggest concerts I can cry, it will be more than 5. And they are all sponsored by this. And they are all sponsored by this abbreviated company. Let's be very serious with that.
I'm ready for crying. Yeah, of course.
This same celebrities, the kind of works they do, being in the movie, being in the music, it all consists of alcohol because they entertainment. And I did be entertaining the alcohol count. Points now, me say, sorry, most of the music videos are is they have that shady kind of endorsement and sana chain because any video clip. What you say? Ni na no advertising indirectly. But all don't find an kind, but bones and that picture no scrolling around no zampa and some other Roma one video so that should tell you say most of almost revenue on free alcoholic beverages companies nanching. Mike, what's the call when you move says celebrity endorse any alcoholic beverage any kaya and you be as well celebrity being a stone boy, being a sap or being a shatawali. So be oh product no but so to the shatawali drink ni. This is shatter drink. Alcohol percent 43% of volume and a shatter and bosso. Maybe point in you. Can he advertise being a say on one product from the company?
I don't know how did shatter too.
Thank you.
I said that.
Taking over. When they had the shatter.
No, there was a drink. Drink B. No, stone boy. Shatawale the new B by or any car no my plate cry and send me a back room. I just say a call from Kakra. Me kai dinner.
Kakai.
I just have an number Kakai and
Kakai
exactly. And people are even attributing say be connected with the Kakai.
She said stone boy Kakai. Was he asked to be what I mean you
Mike, someone and if say it was a decision on take here. Say now see they give the whole media a say alcohol shouldn't be advertised this particular time. It's after 8. It's why I want the whole endorsement or adverts can be played after 8. Networks. If only meanwhile they say in traditional media, social media, and most of these celebrities singing most of the live videos some of the drinks are there. I demonstrate
say and they say you can drink.
And I'm like, one thing I think the authority have to look at and say, so be on akas and only if
and but you guys
say Mike and sending in one thing I have respected them till date. I say when you are not more than 18 years, there's a particular you're more instruction.
Not good from 18, not good for pregnant women.
They come. 18 is all kind of idea. I try already in the advert say akwala day and no. It if an hobby advertise it and another funny aspect say so I'm more than 18. For now, popular are more than 18. It is any cassenti, Obiano, Apio, Obiano, may come and Numbia who say a year. At the end of the day, the advert will still instruct say 18.
So voting age.
If any
and who checks say my DH announcing me 18? Say the parents.
Exactly.
Let me see charity begins.
You see, the parents, Mike. Adia akoswa eneno. You see, they make say adia bia you take decisions in bia e affect ye yankasa economic wise. Sika ya ekwe baby fufuro. 1 point no, but e ba fie enye. Ana baby fufuro na de omo ni culture omo ni bia e ba bo ana so omo ni nkola ni bi. Amo feel say no be influence nkola. I think say every year and this whole way I walk about ambassadorial deals and all the endorsement, however way be a celebrity can endorse anything alcoholic beverage. No more shake, no more any no more how one back on. And I say, Niamana too tough say, oh yeah, jingle. And then your mookie say, FDA approved by I said, no, can yes and get and the people are it is for every. Just trying to get their certificate to advertise. It's not easy. It's my radio stations now. I'm a baby. The approval hasn't been vetted and approved. They haven't vetted it. Neither have they approved of it. And apart from that, what vet now one casa dia banamu? Won't be tried? Didn't we? Emma could do send your pen because you're restricted. So things are happening. I think things have to be done accordingly because you now can apart from I affect you when you celebrate it.
Radio crowd affected.
Yes, it has gone beyond. And I call for and I'm telling you say obi obeka catch us in I don't for your train this band of not advertising any alcoholic I'm telling you say the whole media and say it's ka bebre butu because service I near man kakana a woman are spread across. Yes, I'm going to be British. I'm going to try and hope baby across.
Go away, Master Richard. Only Master Richard.
Obi.
Only Master Richard.
Mike,
Obebre.
Mike, my last word.
Yes.
Obebre.
enye popular. But
the style of the advertising will be
Emma never be popular.
Then I popular.
I get
And sad, but now
and son why the popular. It's not for time of bandi on money.
And you might go to me show me t-shirt and let me go bisa.
And there was a wound to be a view.
Some import here as of the DNT, I must see ano. I mean this a bandex, but them just say, "Ut me shirt or t-shirt make up and doesn't mean you cannot." No, you cannot wear t-shirt or anything to.
At all.
And also can ut me show cap. Oh, I sure. Ut me kita umbrella.
How is celebrity?
And she celebrity say and Sebi. I don't go for tell umbrella now. Kuta, I bet you walk another.
Why does it?
And let's be careful. What? How?
Ati
uti show so. There be uti show so. Na enya wu na wu den do so ba Mike me ti show so. Me no monsa ba me tena show so. Ma company bi me pese me body am obi credit. But obi endorse na me ti so a. Is it me endorse because they are interviewing me and there's a product that is running under the TV. Does he also come against me because I'm on the show? And the product is there, and so my presence is endorsing the product. Is he also against it? It could be. Or send a program nasa wokromwa.
Mike.
And so kwan ye be advert.
Mameko Bandes so. Adom 106.3 FM Adominate I'm a ban on celebrities not to do adverts, and home commander. Yes, a lot of I'm a first raise concerns in the bio say a common dom.
Because I look what celebrities. Why
I mean, what's man Bandes yanko.
Me as a person and person use.
Yanko. And market time in the park.
Hey, Mike.
Yes.
Dedikai. My main friend Nigeria from by a crying chassis. I said, did the beer begin in Nigeria from Eddie number? FDA, what I was say, said Diane, say you say your dean, and who they run up as a war. Commercials and crochet to your fabric. Approve mount and son a beco air, air. Say your audience so cry fabric and tea. They approve mount and son a beco, what the assassin to so good umbrella. It's about a catch almost say, umbrella in you, your Persia kuta. Prove mommy. Why you not crying?
The word is endorsement. Massa. Who is who you see endorsement.
Me 5 minutes there wajeka.
See I me share Katie Kep. I'm endorsing the marriage. Endorsement. Endorsement. Facebook, you are endorsing the brand of the water.
Mike, what can I say when you do this?
On the whole issue.
Come on,
I say come on home to you.
Baby, I'll tell you that I make a call.
Baby, you. Simami no.
Listen, Mike, the person in me who you say, I don't go. First of all, my mini can start to send me cassette. Obi Obeka say, we are a well known. Now, Coco and Dancy be nase, and who effect 18 concola. So, first of all, boy. I mean, shower day to Cromwell. The bit is autofista. You who not a year quiet will be fast to the Shalatadi. But let Mark say, a year at the beer, who saw an eye branch and one ye beer. Just all cried as it
was because of the zookeeping and poultry family at home. You are giving a wrong example. How do you sit here and use autofista and comparing to drink? No, you can't do this. You can't do apples and oranges here unless I'm not in this studio. What do you mean? What's that? Can you go for it? Debbie, we be a number. Yeah, cancer. Now count autofista. What are you talking about?
And influence influence how do
you bring autofista to
drink? Let me say, you were basketball player from Jordan. Michael Jordan, US. Now I say, what did you do? America folk, I should have a shoe. Or more sneakers. I had to do Jordan. Hey, drew on one shabia. Me that say. Ne bon so de influencer enya. Hwe ma me nche wale ba ko bibi ti se Shatawale. De bia meka. Wo hwe fans ya edi na chi. Se when does bibi at least we get 25% ya. At the kodi na shatter say enya no. You get 25% of more mu di na chi. Either good or bad, they will support it. It's the influence in it there. You have been a catcher will say because yes, if you fear, it's if you fear. Okay, so Babylon Guinness here. When one say fear, one Guinness never end. That's it. What I say? Look at what I say.
Because it takes a village to raise a child. So what you're saying? Because the chain is broken.
Hey,
what are you talking about?
If the chain is broken, Mammy, right? Men can't say the FDA for you.
Banders ban or checkbooks. I call about the checkbooks. So what are you talking about? Is he an influence? Is he an influence?
It's a paper when you did my casa.
That I call about checkbooks. Say something about checkbooks. Is that what you're saying?
It's no when you did my casa.
And you buy it when you're quite paying for picture. It's one influence one. Only another culture picture. And you're buying book here. Union picture. And you can't. What's it? You can't influence endorsement. Maybe I didn't number. You can't. Concern.
On the banner influence on
Banders at 3 Kobe long time. Only another picture. And you, as I say, Nanamo. And you club book your ain't. What would you say?
On the banner influence.
Musa, must
okay, it's what I mean, Casa.
yeah, maybe I will name you. Yeah, can't
Yes, say your program.
Yeah, can't son. Yeah, can't son. I would now.
Because what you see here, when you brother are bought, and what is the munition? What is the about? Wait. Obi a ko ware ne yere fridge kwansi ni dem e no nu gina o ka se ma oba bia ko ware obi ani obi a ko ware ne yere fridge si ni dem o
there be fridge there
and what ka se ma oba bia ko ware ohi ani
Banders lamentio
banders
ti ti kopo na ne si ni dem
because me worry in 1997
and dey wo be gina wo se men man wore yan
ya TV hu ya
Banders
they were in the house. He has no content. I am the only developer of content on this show. Can be NTA. FDA banded celebrities. Go speak.
Winning. Baby, I'm an FDA for your audience. Obey to me, I'm warm iron does all right. In terms of airing, no, warm time one. I was say the air. No, maybe they say 8 no kind of things say when you more. Could be at 9 o'clock. What I say? No moment so be kasa kura when social media gradually is taking over. Ye po yempo. E tu pass what I say. Okofa adon kofa Nigeria for buy. Yeah. Nigeria they be an aside in the ho or the alcohol. And I believe Adonko is trying to capitalize in the biggest marketer. Yeah, what was Africa. Until no what do I buy. And no layer plus. But one can you say, or social media. And Kolano and Omunti. Yes, me and Yampanko to TV so they are fan of social media than even the TV. They don't even watch TV these days. Maybe also me piano, social media. It's not just a bro and I will boni panana. Kakro no subedie. Wo de mamu kwan no nya asa side 8 o'clock na fin se bia e wo ani mu a. Betim dia ko 9 10 o'clock. Se nipa ne pa. Onko fa shatawale. No ne nya.
So Mike, can you read an advert of a colleague beverage on radio and TV? Can you read it? You as Mike 2, who is a celebrity out show so we LPM. Can you read because your voice is an endorsement? And the Dorsey is an endorsement. Abeku Santana's voice is an endorsement. So Leslie Bill's voice is an endorsement. So Ogokan Asimesi drink response. Okan is he an endorsement?
After 8 it could be because endorsement you know there. I just want fa akura nkwa o.
Once I walk on once more already.
Endorsement.
Careful.
I can crave let me fancy. The tia Lutrot. Or the Coronia Councillor, be a councillor, be a Sebo Cassan.
Banders
only content. Okay. Only content.
So only content.
Yeah, wasting airtime. And I'm not coming. Mike. Yeah. I don't know wasting airtime.
Me. What do you
Now where are you?
All right, at 106.3 FM at Dominic Ben Horn was I agree with the FDA to some extent, and we also know how harmful alcohol is when one gets attached or attracted to it. Let's not all act as a hypocrite. Is the FDA aware we have songs like Bokeke by Stonebwoy and Ohima by Kwame Eugene, which promotes alcohol in their music videos? We should think about the money. We shouldn't think about the money alone. Let's protect the youth. These celebrities are influencers. But my only problem is alcohol legal in Ghana? So why should the FDA restrict celebrities from advertising it? If you don't want people to take it, just allow it to be legal. Blah 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 blah. Does power main for na make for if you feel it's one of the buy and if Diana and the boss like to FDA crowd, they are FDA crowd. They are justifying that. It's because of they are justifying that because of children. That's why they want any celebrity to advertise alcoholic beverages. What of the profane videos and other teenagers who are doing all sorts of bad things? Today, nobody can teach children where God is. So we check what they or no, they are or they ever no. Matter Echo Jennifer, they about say, Mike, too, let's leave FDA to their work, to do their work. One is wrong. What is wrong is defended, and what is right is attacked. The pillar of social structure crumble and fall. Okay, it's on the other banana. More short hand in the Boha. I am a Mentiasi.
So we are Kulu.
I am a Kulu until the Matiasi.
Social media 90.
Boha and a short hand and a mini senior or new panel relationship here. And I'm coming to you.
My two quick one. Food and Drugs Authority. I'm on that DSTV.
I'm right.
Because alcoholic beverages advertising people also. I say my papa with DSTV. And I say I have access to the DSTV.
And also running at any time.
Wonderful. And I change the channels. I watch alcoholic advertising.
Your papa mistake because DSTV was parental control guide. And you papa no only my dear. And one more
Papa no ni ma de so ne di. Papa no ni ma de so ne di.
O papa na born why you parental control.
Akwala ne papa no ni fie na akwala we ti.
No,
me wo obi ase be woni banti no. O so na o ko bi papa won sem ro fa. No gwa me won.
Nipa na wo me. Me ni baba nipa na wo me.
Uti ase.
Ana ka me se me ni ba. Na da me wo no metu ni diam obi ate se nkwala ne nyina ya. Obi ho wo ba. Oga se nkwala ne ya ne dia.
Obi
dwin so wo bench. Anya saw, obi ka so wo bench nkwala ne ya ne dia.
Mike. So obi wo ba hu ni ya be hu.
Debi o ma o. Debi Mike o ma.
Okọ another wedding. Ofiri a.
Debi
okọ another
o
wedding.
ma o.
Ofiri wedding a.
Banders o ma.
Okotinam. Obedu fie na abobe.
Banders o ma. Ba wiase mkrofo bi wo mba bi o mo hwe anya mo dia.
That was just by the way.
They
call the substantive.
Say, I'm the employer.
Mike too.
Yeah.
Remember, Chenny said, so I'm say, yes, stars in the moment endorse, yeah. And then again, we shouldn't advertise alcohol or radio so on a certain timer. And I believe, say, Food and Drug Authority, I'm monitor only Peace FM and Adum FM.
Why?
There's a radio station, alcoholic content advert. Omo twa baby kitwe bi no man sweepers omo daytime omo buffing za
o say no say e che
any report here
me na report mom
no na be no ya
no it is their duty to check.
How can they check every TV station?
What I say?
No, what I say?
It's Ghana Accra.
Okay.
What I also believe is that what I also believe is that you know, fun when you're radio person and also when you're Centroni Crampa. Say, yet to me, you allow citizens arrest the crowd and citizen journalism so cry cost. They say, cry my gun and she added to that reporting to the necessary authority. If say why reporting, no,
me part as a mumbra no machine a week as a week at the same time. because my to listen before obesem mbra bi no o de niam begu akwan mu obetum na monitor mbra na wa
say multimedia for mbra e dey adwuma e wa ha woje okrata ase afọ adwuma sa mbra ni nyina wo enti e fa nse ma be hye kokko na sa mbra no me ni so a akwatutwum mpanifo a wasisi wo mo no omu hu e
that's so beautiful from
no so beautiful obi hu e no che say
odi e no
wo dey fa say
we radio station na abonyum de bia enti no untu be kan say will be
FDA NCO. You are mistaken. FDA no money NCO.
No, okay.
Say NCO and I'm talking about FDA.
Good. Okay. Who semra? Who semra?
E man need to me ko bia sa na obi ka say we a radio person. I was who be bia.
My two. What it means is that
okay say
because this thing has been going on ever since almost says
okay Kwame
alcoholic way now make us twa no baby kakra no born.
Okay, after this report to the FDA someone to take action e horrible wait me aka say
Ghana banking sector
Kwame
you control bi omo cheto kro bi mu a
my
bank
I need to come asem na kan we wo pete mu we say say no bon nyom
okay
obojin ni fam.
Okay,
now you as an institution.
Your point.
Until the me pattern is a Juma no more yen, so almost omo be Juma no some be ye dia. I say omoda kakra because yes omoda nti omo sorry because listen
we Juma say we so timi nyane omo omoda nyane omo
so mama pa
and nyane omo ndey
nyane omo
nyane omo ndey say omo policies sa policy na omo banning our stars not to advertise for corn bogus.
Okay
nyan send
Sabe
nyansenim
Sabe
nyansenim
Mama Sabe
nyansenim
Sabe
nyansenim
Sabe
because tiemi awo wakasa on
efia poku avimle o Sabe wakato order
wakadi fie kwanza no mama
because only says here ya yatin here I'm going through social media Facebook here I saw Guinness advert
on Facebook
someone regulate social media
they don't regulate it
me
be part of it
no
I'm say emra amuguso
I disagree
my
social media
we are politics
in the country you can't are you saying that
power ben awo power one TV stations na omo hye Ghana mra social media nya Ghana mra
bobos fra
when I got asome na okay
social media nya Ghana mra
all right I don't want 06.3 FM
Bandex, Mike 2 is speaking. Bandex, Mike 2 is speaking.
Authorities.
Okay, you call a coffee be 1 week so now quick one. You might hold 3 minutes here. You bet me Eddie Bibi and Sana call us but never to have a course now. Okay, it's I don't want 06.3 FM at the Timen Horn was to go with you. 1 week in the aba attendance no there. Oko abuka say o na ye but you who said a lot of the young ones no anko and as young ones na anko ye kan say and e be complaining e be so argument ne say enya de a obi a wu a dwumaku kura wo mu no say dwumafo ni nyina na say nipa ni nyina betumi akọ enti ye hwe say balance betumi abam say nkofo ka say nkwara na anya ade kidi no efianom tete sa e was a blame on in total and I say be cry and so much. You can't say emra also.
My two, go pray say Kwame Yuji Kidi Nkola na come assembly, they don't manage themselves. That's one. So say who hold you almost say Omanko Kofi B 1 week. You should hold their producers, their managers. What is the relationship that they have with Kofi B? Na Omokoya. Who say mo yegu amamre mo de mo celebration say amamre. If you say 1 week, I that on Cranfon 1 week. Now say Musa and Cranfon before you know 1 week. Suatra. Me say me who am 1 week. It's irrelevant. It doesn't make sense.
Who be 1 week?
Because me and Cran.
What
does it? Me and Cran. And I Cranfon mamre no. Ye 1 week. Yen ye wua your first meeting no. A busy meeting, second meeting, a public meeting. Ya de see actually must say what must say 81 week in po here. What must say bandits baby of fino omo 1 week. Now 1 week e busua what must say e busua de o e busua e betena se ama omo agigi yensem kakra e de abo ayie no momo aka kire nse ye de ayie no ye tena sesese ye ne de ayie na to yawada ebe yi na wotwe miensa na nanse akwati se anyumtofo nti no obi age no ho afa na obi anko ase obi ameto nyum na we anko ye we. I think that we are just exaggerating and taking funeral into another negative dispensation. Enkola ya anko siaga 1 week nye yi na ke yie ni na bia omo anko eyie de ba all sympathizers are invited and you tro will be choring ase and say yie na ba no man fawa. I think there's nothing wrong, but enkola kitin ya one, but because at the end of the day no they are managed by people. Kiddy cannot get up and just go to a place like that. So when their managers have something more important than Kofi B's 1 week, and I'm guys 1 week, Obi about 1 week, it doesn't make any sense. Or what must say? Until they hear me say 1 week near Sikani, ye business the Kofi B 1 week omukoye. Omo muko tratra when you na omu tombus kukru. I hear on the koye. How much contribution have they going to give out for the funeral? Because you have to donate 1 week. It's a donating moment. I did who say and by in this case in your nyaye. Then you say you can come
say 1 week. I'm American, so I
no 1 week.
I'm American, so I'm 1 week.
There be any somebody 1 week near be ma your 10 year use what you like yet nasia and no yes somebody yet nasia ebusuan you will be
some of the say
you were 10 bia you use there be 1 week near what 10 bia use a discount you want crofo e fa won ho a so mo de ba you want crofo sika e de ye and you want crofo e de omusika ye de omusika e ye mre so ye de no ye ne omde no sika san eso no na e asetena ye tena e de asese ye wie ho adwen enti ye busua de what must say busuan na near chair ade na afa se me fa konwa me fa say ye to dan say yesika samunye banders wo afijase se kire onye sika fa kan bai enti na samene no so ne de soma nkrofo kɔbɔ amane enti fa say kɔbɔ president amane se obi ewupu na obi gurupa kuku dambia after 1 week no ene kɔbɔ amane se ni se busuan hia se ni se what must say 1 week mo ya na maye ti say concert
but no say betimi so age atum say culture is dynamic.
No, in the dynamism of culture, the originality and the foundation can never be outwitted. That's the secret in life. You see, culture is dynamic. Not just a DBCBiano, the foundation is what we build on it. And to where foundation ben ya build also. Someone modernizing it because he's a public figure. He's this. Let's see, I'm expecting some musicians and celebrity the demise of your brother 1 week. Yen jamamo na busuafo nsi o makonua wo bebia they want to do it, all right, and let's see tradition and the process ayede yes na wotwe ne ho yie but ebusuafo so kotena ase no obi amba most so bobo no nobody. I mean obi a wan kone fa ho 1 week ye den
okay mame go banders. I don't want 06.3 FM at 2 minutes in ho FM mic 2 baby nti banders
with the free literal to someone can find my music comedy because I didn't say no insist so
me ho ya ka papa so can what dey
it has nothing to do with management and manager
okay you are going to you too
yeah in the industry
okay question there
matena aka several times say time brother Philip gospel musician owuye na ye na so bi okoye otum say gospel fon ko omoja unify kakra bi na be hu say high life ni bituem if like ni bituem book back Ronnie owuye mo amokoye eboni wuye mo amokoye mo say sa group no so age aye na fa
amanje aye na mfa
oh masa wo kasa obi anka bi edi na me kasa woni mo hwe
banders
what ya woni mo hwe
where ya miss call opa na
ya kire wa ya educate
bo manje aye na mfa
wo kire ko baby ana okogun wani
o manje aye na mfa kasa o kasa ti abusua
me da say o ma mu tie
o kasa ti abusua
o ma dwene mu
then ka manje aye fa we fa you very careful
in so many times Papa Jansen the patch of infant ye na ye no samokaya
yo State House.
Thank you. The patch of koya no ehifo na hu omo wa ye na se you hu omo on the type
Abreji ba Kofi
Sam just say hu omo dodo na
Permission was asked from the family so that they do the
permission was
there.
I'm not saying
The
people who came.
They were not those who were doing the funeral.
Even in the movie industry, Kofi be a year, I say, 1 week, and I say, movies, 400 more.
But we are talking about Yon to four.
Maybe no, me na nature will say, me person nature will say.
Yeah, we movie.
But Oko passing through.
Kofi, me the person nature will say. I say, ensign, ye huna ye ne ba, or my fan is a World Cup. So this has nothing to do with
you will how never.
Who the way about the one got
because me a counselor.
A
counselor for association mean
mom bebano. Eye mana, what do you want more eat of money? Woman on beba. And it's not a day. Manusia. The person me check, Councillor Ruto, and say, and the meeting and then the Casentino, when you dean one tea, Nasabi, or call radio for François. One could win when he was Uncle Casse in the management, oh, boy, when you win him to coffee be a year, or more to one. It's a catcher, mom, coming in to
Omanqua, and Yafri. All right, I'm going to address another mammy too.
Yeah, we didn't Mike, if you say me swinging, you was a question. A year been up, I mean, or bring Pombi to 2, ama a year see if you feel more. I don't want no. I can't remember, and as I can't, I'm remember, and 1 week here, one of the vital things. I think that one quite how Mokakra. I can't remember Mona Minimono. 1 week here, very, very important. Emma Womo, although a year and who he had, but 1 week in the year, and who he only. Apart from that, so because a year was I say, Nipa buy, Nipa a buy. Generally, no, that is a year, Nipa near the so we a year no business true said dean, then about 2 crown at why you want to say a year no 7 and so any and as I did back one more bra amanenya a cuckoo down for be and numbers and young for be I'm 1 money yes
bandits
a year wedding engagement nipa near day. It is a nipa man, I quite say nipa no crampa water from no when you had the 4 and number say be a 1 year sociable and numbers and a bush of 1 more baby amanenya companies so no more yan for and a bush of 4 be the now for the
so birthday party
people were actually chastising some of these new reigning artists almost to say you know it's because say a year dear and feel that woman and would run a doors. Na a variety say be ampa so I will be to send na champon or why he champon on your neba.
How many times?
What yes, lucky Mensa on your neba. Apart from a Randy Nunu on your neba. Resoma on your neba banders what he on your neba. What yes, Kwame appear. Oko hair 24 for 1 cent on your neba. What is it? It's a case in which you say, and you on no coffee be a group on Kwana heading, and by Nemo, Nancy and go for a family and say, 1 more for high life, say, almost add done a din in a very dynamic way, no, and the Afrobeat, I'm mixing Messiah near maybe a man I fell. And Quebec say, Mubemi, you bimpo. Second, Kwame Eugene, say a kid, you Mubaku bimpo, echoes far why. In Kemani, a balance. I think, say, that's the complaint people are making. Yes, they are condemning them of not going yet. Yes, say. It's you know, how crop on your fan and say, Mate, and I'm a call because me, my message a year by me. I'm messing, but a year, but.
Now, 1 week, yes,
yes,
wow, here and yes, wow, here and yes,
now, we catch your camera paper now with videos or catch us or cigar for you now, and it could be a dog for.
Sanitary, I know what Yasubi.
I just so young, on your duffel.
But I don't know,
on your duffel,
young course.
Gay, on your duffel.
And you,
my two,
yes.
Ebony Way, in 1 week. Hala from Ibrahima.
Thank you. That's it.
Ibrahima. The Hala from Penumfonsuba.
That's for Musama.
You once a number.
And found questions management.
And your news.
Okay.
I saw in Penufona I car to walk, and I'm Polani DH. Into what going for the need to do is a Omunka Sam Polani between me, Asana, or between me a pulley in Colana long. Because everyone 1 week in me or we call it an apart to him on my point. Your high life musicians I can see bebre na ntom nice
na yenkwala gro
na yese na yese also be ka say nyom so di mu
na
nyom diem
na make
dem na yenkwala gro
nyom diem no
oh okay
because ebony eyie na kasa nkasa na nye ebony eyie na after say eyie na mini keke fo so be ko hanom no say eyie no no eyie no anko bio o say won mo ko eyie na so hypocrite on keke fo so but edu ni high life medicine dia no so no okoye ekoso magofo mu koton nyom you understand ntine sanity
okay
nti penifo ni ntwasa aye papa na nkwala no enso anyway enfollow
okay Adam 106.3 FM
mama 2 una ben Kofi Bio asem bi ekoso
ono ben wan
last week
I don't know
una ben
say about that tape no
una ben asem bi am say me bi say wo ma
because almost say
wo masen
and we no free ho Kofi Bio ti ase no
there be numbers for the coin
Kofi Bio ti ase no ba ka say ofura ponsa aboni dia eti say duabo yi so and e be ka say nam so amwa free mu ana because e ba ye no
Sabandex
e ba ye no kan ye no say for kran so mimi de me fa the opportunity say me bisa ofura ponsa sa be no otuka me frɛ me sanka no and didi ma na ase ye ja no to ha na akofa aba
na akofa asemkese
and akofa asemkese aba cause o kan bo sa tape no ma ye na Ghana fo hu say o kan sa asem no go fo be create o be kan na Adom FM say album hu sika bi okokan ye no ti no ono ofura ponsa aso aboni dua na ba bi obegina to nwum ni bia no ensuo ho ahwan nkunu anyum no so de say bia no angoja ato
entino ye fa ni say dua boy fra ponsa mbo ye
ye fa ni say dua ba Kofi B say
Kofi B na ese ye de yanti dua bo
entino Kofi B dua ba wo so ofura ponsa mbo no
abo no
eno na amana wi
ne ba cho ensuo na fa na se
asem sebe
o say we fa
ye di so bo dua enso fa
na de na
wo panyi
so na not to that ever since I'm not here e bibia me di boma no je wayi me wiase na oye ma dia be ka kire wa e be yo mo betu enyu nyina betu wi enyu ma to bia betu wi faso bia ka se enyu ma watu nyina wotu gu na se watu nyum bia ma unya saying oh how as I tell you Mudia Bosumu Kusa we was from my set be we are I know what you was getting away
enti sako chika kama me ko chika kra bi na enti be o say wa frame say
oh your friend
Bosumu Kusa and we was from my set but any ban schedule went to a basin oh how as after me Mudia Bosumu Kusa and we was from my set be from we are I know what you was getting away
enti asana ho a Kofi B ka to ho ansa na wo film nti ofura ponsa ye besrew se obetumi aka sensem bebre ho a wo de won yi ano but nsem we asem also be yi ano because we de wonya ka to dada
so me pam no be kasa
na mesemo
asem mo du pa o
awo so be so kasa
yes amre so kasa ni
because e bia na Kofi B entumi anse ne ho so no kofa akuata na ko stage su ko tro ye and e bi so asa ben so na Kofi B ofura ponsa nya boni dua dada se na Kofi B e ka no
where your economic right momienka why who owns the song this is the question now
anti bisa but we dey ho no anya emre musa no na ga
baby say was sika bia pm ade yo say ade ne say me dia say ne hu sika me dia bisa say nyum ne ho ade a
e body e
who owns the song
e body everybody
say you want what to me can say
e body I na mfa enyum no
okay banes ye hwede ba ko say
okay
enyum ye omotu yi kwa say ofura mponsa dea we no de perform here and the man no and no sim nkasakasa ba before some be wu no na kasakasa wo montem and no doubt to be say black and Jerry bizarre say tune ne fa o me ne ne fa
okay
na say na wo montem ngo
ana montem ngo
ansa na saa se me bante bia bufuo so ne keka ho na bia be ma baako akobodua say ampampo saa
na yetini say from nyom no kura no a say obi to a is part of the song nti no ntimi claim say
waso ogina ba bia
na ya media
Okay.
eti no men gina baby
Anto.
na ento nyom na say em say metete say girl ya o free and friend say Miss V na yes o yes ma Miss V enkoto nyom
anko perform ba bia
beta na mbesa me ho say chale why na this ade no crash we mu nyina trim say because say matron me na matron nyom no e de ma wo ma wo to
Iti men nyina baby nto.
eti men nyina baby nto and one kasa koto ade
eni mo mra mu za wo
no the person be say mra ben na mahyehyɛ ato kata ben na da so before so kwakoto nyom no say wo kyena bi me no gya adwuma ya look we have commission we ama nipa na yɛ adwuma ma o yɛ adwuma ma o tell first be Joy FM yɛ kwakoya ade yɛ pe team song yɛ be a call for amponsa yɛ pɛ sɛ o yɛ sa adwuma we na de ma Joy FM kata da so for amponsa nya to nyom no we atua ne ka no de ba because yɛ commission na wa yɛ ntino
enya ne dia bi
Oh, okay.
Maybe say we be partial. Now say if I say right than a voice, no so. There's a right on your voice. People have patent right on their voice, like your voice. So no matter what deal I have with you, once you drop it in a certain area and they hear my voice, the royalties comes to me. So what of that one?
Your moral right. What you say? Economic right. Moral right. No, they say. Oforian ponsa Joy from Oforian ponsa na okoto no no so mo tro ni baby a mo ntimi nkase because say yetwe ofori kanti no yetimi tro say enwum no keke fo so na to ye because yetwa ne ka wi ntina yesa nwu na ye dia ti bibi e pe dia betima tro no way
enti pen ni na wo kan because baby e hwe no yesunsu asem ha
Esusum de mina
elutina make say ofori ni elutina make say ofori ni e fa say Kofi B no kata ben na da so a ofori betime aka say me commission wo matua wo ka we are out of that economic right
enti ampa say Kofi B aso be kan so ofori amposa so abonidua ofori amposa abonidua na that's the question
so what the meaning so obonidua
but
and you can me last because me na me sunsun wi ase uni shek
no sunsun wi ase cross right
because me be trell eduabo na se na ma trell say eduabo we e betuma ye djuma abako se me de eduabo e na ma trell
so be catch Kofi B say performing right in the shadow. Because you are performing what you want to so as I have the performing right. But yeah, my many people once I shut up voice, you know, shut up has a certain chest. That's economic right. But there is no way, sir, performing back at your music. Sir, no way, put me perform. You don't have that right. Yana wanga na wako tuwa. Say bi na cross wo boy ni the song. So we talk about the and we say music awards 2020 presented by Media Networks, Joy FM, TV, the Fantasy Ball, and EFE Ghana with support from
well say mo nyina mo ka e say mo
nyina what you want no because what you want okay let me you're not doing it just waste so many instances so fresh
Gamro for mo discard keke
omo baba e media for omo the items
be chire oduabo ase 2 minutes quick next week what was so you time there so ya so ya
When you get more radio, so
who told you that some come with someone what do you call it omo person be tie no
and it's on air time there be to air time na be kan Gamro sem
you just get to the can't be so many head down there mommy
Debbie, how many times? How many times?
So we take airtime.
No. Why you say that? Have you ever stipulated time? What time do you use your airtime?
Not before I start the program. Maybe 7 minutes or 10 minutes. Only
No, is it like we should have a song, Gamro signature tune that is time with Gamro? Time, we have any program called Time with Gamro? We don't have anything called Time with Gamro. What must I say? Banders never. What must I say? And you can say Gamro for her can be. The only time we hear Gamro speaking is when there's a conference. Yeah, they say time I'm going area if we have Osaka credit, and they say na banders way. What I'm saying is that when will Gamro buy airtime and educate the boy are collecting their money?
Yeah.
Microphone scan and muti. Nyambe siaboka. 1997.
Yes, now you're
1997.
And then one year, no,
1997. 1997. 1997. 1997. And yet 2000. Yeah, 2000. 1997.
Watching 11 years.
1997.
11 years.
1997. 1997.
Highlight Fiesta, 206.3 FM. Never there, Baya. Share, I'm a crazy pop and grill. I'm a summer free Johnson. What a boss in this.
Gamro nyashi we promo. But your monk can let's get each other talk about. What are you doing for the musicians?
Master
and grill. I'm a summer free Johnson.
Yankotia, but the boys. When they are even signing them, they should have your presence before they sign. But because sign all the Kushana snap, that's all. What to be cash? What is the rule of Gamro?
Nobody goes on the snap, because I had to. What does it got to do with
it? Highlight
The reason why you are following the song is because of the rhythm. It's not the lyrical content, it's the rhythm. What do I say? What is some about it? He has a everybody loves that rhythm. No, it's the rhythm.
Okay. I'm on for Stoneboy High Life in there, or the chunk, or the Chobia.
And you're fun Chobia, and then I can. Answer a gunshot. The bar last year. Now then they buy it. Pissing out your tree. Answer your tree. Find your man on the high life of the year. Find your man. Oh, and you're from some woman. You're beside you been the winning high life of the year. And you man. My level, shut up. So shut up. SCT standard no.
Okay, next week
because of this no. And a Stoneboy. Just to take the cap.
0302216562 and the 106.3 FM. And come on, you didn't know about your adventure, but you can say what you're from. Say, how do you? Veronica, you too.
Me person me this person. Say me o send me beat mommy. We are producer now send me beat mommy. Na say me a me try nyom na. Anyom na ya wo dia na. Ai no se sente se me free won chan ya. Me si me nton nyom ne wo ba bia. And then Sadia, you will beat the free man. And it's me
you beat. Capito.
All right. Mr. Medasi, pay to 106.3 FM. And some chef and Sabe woman. You see? Maybe talk us when you're frozen. All right, Abusia, yet you. Yes, sir. Yeah, Kasati, you too.
Omufie, and make papa feed the bossy pump. 94 no for Rampo Sanenam. Case Azri, never an Azri, or Yadia, or back of Funded number. Yes, I just Freddie Mahon 93. The Sunday no William, Freddie the post of Facebook. A small catcher minister. I call only from Toga in the Bayern. Now, as a buyer, me fair, I wanna check our mommy, black eye number, because I should know when it just start here. Come out of free or the Southern Castle for the piano. Black eye money, I feel free.
Hello. Oh, Manekasa.
Oh, Nelaneko.
Atiko.
Oh, Kasama for your person or Kasama.
Dabu. Or your canasam.
Let's be now we come to say before. Because Manekasa, we are so
information to know.
Them no one stop no. Only credit. Oh, only credit. And you believe in pipe.
Manekasa.
Let now they push me.
If I say me, but the better can say, I can't for the catcher, could say, you don't cast on the official. Back I didn't catch to cover the money casino. Since then, we try 7 years for it. I'm a no for it. One could think I said or so to Numona. When you're so there you go, Texas, no, without in your family. Eti o se e ta so se e te ni kwato ba iba ya ni mutino e si nya ofori na e nya black eye e ti ko fi ba chire nso o di bo dua no
eti o se ko fi bi ka chire o se o so da ni o ka chire obi okay yeah okay
ka so ba ka saye after tuition as we see no
like I say it is purported say e bi kwa no aboni dua mpo dada e bia
the just square no that kind of or could be better saya could be say also performing you na busumu kono no
na
perform you could be better who be better back at the busumu say no kai
I perform the song
because back at you you free saya
okay bro ma phone see ya o number na ye wo eti that's na ye betra nkomo no so na afro e bia na afro ya mponsa kwa ye kado say afro be kasa eti me giri say duru ba bia wo say kasa say kasa obi wu ayen ka na chi asam no ade no kofi bi onye obi akeke ba bocho onye obi akeke ye fancy adom 106.3 obi ase
me didn't see with the two as a time accord there obi a team bi ahwefo no madofo
and obi say wakanya say
first time
mama 100%
there be afina nyame bie na so otie asama meka de bia nyame nhira no na they make us 1 minute
even no kwache prepare Alex
be man so
there be akwala bia
afina nyame bie kwa ma no but the woman say nyankopon ye adoma no kura ya ba ko pe Councillor Lutot Fan Club me da my 2 grooming services anwa as ambassador no ade ba ko esi 6 match e ba e wala Pan Royal Beach ni say ye launch club no na ye de adwuma titru e hye nkrofo nsa Mike 2 Jinkrofo actually was seen a eti. And ye ka home, ye be yiti wo ho. Bandex say ni t-shape ya bre by ye mano ye trimina mana abedani obia owura bedwem a obey correct. Once now ba obi aka mo badwe na asem. So 1 week no abodwe na ba. There's a secret in the grooming services.
That's right.
And so they bra omoma pa bra men yi sakora enfa ngu ni pani mase. We ni tina nkasa si ho no. Ye be design next week Saturday ye ba. Now share you on Facebook about say Bandex no. It's not an old thing you know because the image of a man is the haircut. There's no shape on the forehead. Mike 2 Groom Services. Yes, a son dear Bibiama. Next week, me chambe. I ended them here can't enter the market. Manga credit. Mama 2 Tio. And he will be a wood maybe about kind of 0277 609 and a 604 Troniboko 0277 609-6 Ubeso kan group no ubeso kan ye ho na be join fan club na friend na we ni enko e nyame hire mu nyina no ntum kwam yapon
yo Mike
asobrate fansa be wo mani abra special ase ba mode answer be ba na so ye wona aduane pa wo ye no wonsa aka be agbe
me kasa ho so
so ki touch so so open aduane pa so ki na adua so ki so ki touch ti ni no afọ do so
o deliver dia fa
me dey 2 minutes wa o pese unya nice massage Bandex massage
obi kasa
wala kasa
my 2 grooming services so boso pa na
ya grooming services
me bi ba ho no na se lo si yi na
oh the environment alone the environment
my 2 grooming services
me ye aduma me ye aduma
me ye aduma
okay
pada
any mesramo mo wie ni nyina no massage papa
okay
Bandex massage but it's legal opposite MJ Grand Hotel
okay
abenya Thai food when you fufu ni bank
I was massage me o
yeah bra na wo massage
mama Bandex bread ono massage
me so omo
massage
da wa se na mi hire ba bia wo bia
Bandex bread
Bandex ne na wote ya
unim say ade bi what size me
special number no 0278
Ono fani na
makasa papa nyankopon hira mo mama de messages ba ya mama
messages ba ya mama ko ya ma be 6 of March nyankopon e adoma kai say 6 of March na be ko ya ma ye nyina 6 of March
okay me call you for Mike 2
see ya de we ya bebu 6 of March na me ya adoma ye nyina
see what I was saying Thursday last suit
higher crown say e ma kama mutu odu a omode mpram jini for call you stop ko mu na why
amen amen
why etu omukura no enye se adie bia be wa hweneto akonwa ne kura bre se to okura the chair is suffering from this bottles shall we sit na go point to My two, who see camera? And you're beautiful. When you're beautiful, natural from birth.
It's a natural.
Obakura to say, now Bema Jimmy for the down. Yam Primo, Yandy be before we could go and go sell. To be for sick and Yanka. At to pass it, yes, Kappa. Utia near my Bandex. Oh, Bandex, I said, Mush.
Oh,
you teach your class on the road. So this is public notice. Where are public notice? What's all the Johnny? No, well, you really do for me. Hey, yes, sir. Hey, your pa said. Notice. Hey, and you're original, and you're painful, and you're painful, and you're painful. No, it's not harassment. We're original. Now you need to see here. I said, "Come, man, who wait him?" Because be simple. Oh my God. Hey, wait, no, Benfo. I am on my knees. Too near. 29. Now, yes, you hold. Original. Yeah, quiet.
It's all fine.
Nyame shramo. Upa bema ade. Na yesi bema be na asumdwe wo ho. Den ye fe no. Den ye fe no bema asumdwe wo ho. Ebi ne den.
Also bema bi wo ha. Bema bi atete oba ba obi wo ha woni.
O se bema bi atete oba.
Obema opema me mi ngina. I say as a bema pema it's mejano.
Okay.
Bema bi apema.
Okay.
But you are very respecting me as a woman.
Okay. Okay.
Supporting me vision in life.
Okay.
That's the kind.
Now who are vision? Eti they can enya no correct because they can tie. They can be careful. Oka say bema. Oka say bema on titi oba. We unka enko you. Oh, one no. Whitney, you are very careful. Very, very careful, Whitney. Miss Ramo, etie for o two mba nyina fo. Etu chest obi ware ohiania enye boni ana. Miss Ramo obi ware be ma otimi hwe no ho. Ha, wo do sa ka me fi, me tu wo Yesu di mu. Waso me sisi, me tu wo Yesu di mu. Who is this? Who is this? This is the decorator of the most expensive wedding in Ghana. What this guy? What this guy? Oh, so she has just defined her position. She has defined her position. Ken City wedding coordinator. Ken City wedding coordinator. Wanyesika. Mutano ska on ho. Ken City wedding coordinator. When am I what did you chrome han? Motion, Whitney. Ose, on the port the Ukrainian dangerous. And you on shent are tight. They be our shell loose. On him the Odysseus chrome. Madam, a 2 months you can buy you. Near dear to whom come on. Ye dear to whom come on. Now the space were titty. Yes, yeah, too. Now the space about. Not then ye. Debiato. Madam. Where from her? Where Whitney from her? 25 years of multimedia. We have seen a lot of things in this place. Happy anniversary. Multimedia, happy anniversary. Multimedia, happy anniversary. And that is Whitney for you, the coordinator of the Ken wedding. Where Disika. O Sabra Nasisa, Sabra Safway, Sabra Danifway. Anywhere Radi, na phone the Ajiako. And you should change your destiny. Change your destiny. Change your destiny. Why? Why? We are Bema Bodidi. Say, I'm not. I'm not dang. Enipa. Usro. And no one share black. Any yes on Facebook no so. What I say? No, he's not qualified to be here. No. We are dealing with people with ass and body. What I say? We say a man who cannot feed himself 3 square meals. No, you see, hold on. You see, be very careful.
Oh, why?
It's different from somebody who cannot afford 3 square meals. They say he can't afford 3 square meals. It's different from you or Yali or Didi twice a day. Oyale. When you are sick and you are eating twice a day, it doesn't define. What's it there?
I prefer to obey twice a day.
Now,
because I'm so busy, I can't even eat lunch. It's me eat breakfast and then I eat supper. That's all.
My two. Can you are told what?
Missy, I'm too busy. Say I don't even eat lunch. Me eat breakfast, then I eat supper.
Anybody who tells you that I'm so busy, so I can't eat twice. A man should be able to feed you 3 square meals. It's not because you are busy not to eat. What are you talking about? Hey, my two. A man should be able to feed you 3 square meals, not because you don't have time to eat. Yes.
Adwuma bi aye Ghana ha bia ya adwuma o nemo no amembrem
bremu bi kasa mayete woni my two grooming services CEO na gina ho
ha ya adwuma o nemo no ye mba ya omo na ho fefefe yi omo kan che me se mpɛ duasa me mu obia ne mutia
the master
Shoemaker ni on na mkwanche a se pe bia so obo na yim konkon bi okra betumi achi saa be se 2 hours obi amfre no bisa e 2 hours obekọ wa
on ware o se dey
Shusha no kwa no be pay
eti wu Shusha pe wa be pay
and I'm say Shusha no kwa no
Shusha pe wa be pay
ya kasa nya dwon
there be Shusha pe wa be pay o se Shusha be sure Dabi Shusha no be to show Dabi dey be say eti wu Shusha be to show Ohima Shusha be to show yes Mati what Shusha boys e to be shamu eti ejuma be ne be to show udeti ejuma be ne be to show apart from Shusha carpenter Mason Minka contractor, me see Mason.
Okay, contractor.
Me see Mason by day.
By day, you contract name ma.
Anya contractor by day.
By day, no contract name ma won't.
Eti wonam hoyi. Be ma be djuma be na wani to ade hu. So bet na show. Managing director na. Kenko. Obi anim da do ma hu ase ne dada. Na den ne bet na show wasasi so.
So, put me join it. It's Legon Executive Club. Yeah, bet me hear me.
Atija. Achebu odin. O see this Legon den.
It's Legon Executive Club. We a member bet me hear.
Hey, my two, tie de ga ne kan.
Woni say bisa say e ku ko fie mo e bisa say e fie no ye bisa fie no
Enye damo. Ye kesika.
Chale. 7th match protocol ball.
O na we ye kan. Ye kan ya sese ma ko ka ball.
Aye protocol ye.
Se na jire wan na yo.
Me. Oh, I want to me obi obeti match.
Wan na yo se sia.
Say me obi oreme.
O si dai.
Me obi oreme.
O ti Ghana na ti fa. And obi an yo.
I'm telling you.
Hey, next week bra meeting wo club ho.
No club time.
Oh, baby out tap and your flowers.
Behind closed doors.
Thank you. Now on number we within it. One now host I won fan number ho. Aden na wonam Eastleigh Go Fitness Club and now for Wemba ho.
I've been a member with Fitness First. Long.
So why are you not bringing her?
Years.
Why are you not bringing such a body to come and pass through? Hey, just shoemakers in that brother be a little why.
Shoemaker, I'm there for
Now, say one area.
One
One area. And to also be a real.
Me a single.
O say,
I'm ready to mingle. I'm proud to say I'm ready
no,
to
blah. There be munya careful. O say that.
Oh,
what's it that?
Single and
No, stand here. Show us some idea. Say, I will say you are single.
very single.
And you want a show?
Very single.
Say, see, I open a show.
Because strike.
And yeah, Miss Auntie, we are virgin.
I'm not virgin.
And when was the last time I have sex?
I having sex actually last year.
Oh, now last year they said January. Yes. That was the last time I having sex. What's it? When you want me taste? And wait, when you only me. And you say, and taste. Me, what's a wound taste? Me, what taste?
Don't taste it, yeah.
Me, what taste?
I don't want to.
A big job, I'm afraid.
I don't want to do one. I don't know.
Me taste, I'm a bachelor. Why, Baba? Hey, why, Baba? Nonsense. What's what, Johnny? Who go worry banders about Tom Bro the other day? Aba, see when him no be one why?
They say me 50 and I'm going.
I think better than a man number.
Oh,
Omoba. Where so? And at the open a bimba.
Oh, they may pen me young for
I do him be a more. And I didn't uncle. Now I didn't want to fear. And I won't share away. A fear. See your canoe. See your canoe. Hammy. Adwa the year can it. Adwa Aden. Adwa. O say. Adwa so ya den. Not just say power there. There be one power there. There be one power there. The own power there. But where do baby a open sound home Christo? Eso bi amba. Where do baby obi am ben 2 person nan? Afia, baby sick ya fa no fa hanga babo awo. O si mema meti odane nan. Oso be asa. O be ti wanimo, I say we almost o say sese na gia we uni boy.
Not the boys that's our fault.
I don't think Ghana.
Not the Ghana, not boys.
Ah, na bandits na ho po bi adi no. Una mo ye den.
Na me fiti ya no ba be no bi edi go.
Ah, eti bandits nsi wo pe. Debi unti on si wo pe. Mo dia mo nkan wo. Mo just space na ya yemfa mo nye serious because lens glasses for no your bedding. Hey, mo hwe me efutu am de ma mo ne se me sra mo. Sana mo gina hoyi. Mo hwe na mo ankofo obi a o hye space. Why? Encrofo a shell lens, do na yo hiafo. Omo bebre yo hiafo. Me no. Obi a wo eye problem bia odisika hwe nani onya kwanka osanani yale. And you don't waste your beauty on people who are like this. And if you papa bi opa wale na da bi. Opa wale na da bi. And na pesikani awale na ohia ni awale. Asa me ka se che opesikani awale na ohia na awale. No ohia na awale.
Pepani obetimi ahwe me.
Obi opesikani.
Elebi nyim begusuampo me na wo ha. Obi a obehwe me. Na menteti.
Okay.
E ma menwene.
Okay.
Obu atopa obabi ko jisa mafi.
Hey, asem na so who can say asem do say nkrofobiti awade ho a omko bu atopa de sika be hwe fie.
Exactly.
Are you sure
I'm telling you
that wives goes to have sex to come and take care of their husbands in Ghana? Now she said, "Bear man, what in your juma?" And to move a bear man, what in more dear Oscar. And you not here. Eti wo di opesigani na di obehwe obedu uye oyema wo di omo nyina wo na nufu mu odu nyame anya mistake o ma wo to eno sama unufu. God is not a mistake handling person. Opesigani ana ohia ni awade adeti na pesigani awade mutie we are the asante ni akola and the asante for pesikafo na se nkrafo ye jimifo papa nkrafo pesikafo wade de bi on beso obu ankrofo aigbefo so saa de bi on po bi on mebo na yeye na asante for de mbo nkrofo moska na ska de ye ai nkrafo jimi o nkrafo pesikafo kra nkrafo pesikafo de bi on po nkrofo aboa wa aigbefo so saa na asante for de mbo mo moska me da wa se why your boss wa peska ye go to de ma asante na ne ba ko ware fefe oh enuanum ni adofo gas nyina mo hwe mo nyina pa awade oh cap ye we awade foforo de krom cap na me hye yo enuanum ni adofo am hye ebi adu de sik pa awade efia papa bi pa awade e de go sie de go ya pa bo se si ade mi jina saka sai so Yesu dim
hallelujah
en pramboni bia gas ye twe mi tamo Yesu dim amen be mo ye ni bi ogira machi mi tu ni be ma fami mu
be ma ye ni ogira ya nim
mi tu ni be ma amen be ma bia wadi awie fitiene onya ndi bia wo Yesu dim
amen
gas ye nya adwen sakra
amen
nyankopo fa wonomu
amen
on be wari sikani
hallelujah
ohia ni bia pe won mi twemo Yesu dim
amen
mi twemo Yesu dim
amen ohia bi open
sikafuo bia mo hwe won ma wari dada mo pese mo wari won mi bia wa ho kwan sika de ahia odo ye fa wale sika de de wale
money is good money is
good ye for wale e di sika na wale nyame hira hwefo nyina wo so wa ho otan wo neto hwe to we na kopa bi wo a wo ho otan mesraw ko na koye bibi a ho ba efe embema pade e de ade efe 6 match there Bugum Hall La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ebeye twe embe be fa ho eto ye launch fan club aya relationship seminar nyame shira ba bia wo bia obi a hwe me. God bless you for being part of this conversation. Don't allow a poor man to marry you. Men for here won't come #. Join Telegram, Council Lutrot Fan Club. And I join our WhatsApp 0277 609 644. Oh, here ni be ready American. Men fa oh here won't come kwasiasa. Men wadu. Obi kati de ko abeka bi. Me and the way on your bika. We are better because I'll pay you. Let me share with you now. We are about media 25 years anniversary. You didn't celebrate, but memory if you say, Bibi Chilwadia 0277 609 644. Kensi 2020 brand Jim. We wish them well in their marriage. The best marriage so far in the land of Accra and the city of Accra and in the land in Ghana. Yeah, boy, who more than pa myself. Yeah, bema wadi asesa bukremu. Na me shira bunyina 0277 609 644. Mesram wa refi na mane chiro ne tem. Esa ye mobile money. Empire me boy say eya we say opeso kwa for the empire ne ho. 0277 609 644. 6th of March 12 p.m. sharp. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, Bugum Hall. Yeah, relationship conference. Why married? Why still single? Yeah, we are near the fan club launch in Nakaho. Tupa well for business here. My 2 grooming services also my juma. Other companies ebe recruiting for amamwa juma. Wa wo hwe me uni mpna braho. Wa wo hwe me ukune jawo braho. Wa ukune we jawo braho. Everybody watching me, remember that on the 6th of March, 12 p.m. sharp, happening at La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, Bugum Hall, 12 p.m. sharp. We are meeting to launch the Council of Detroit Fan Club and also have our relationship seminar, my independent relationship seminar. Dab, why married, why still single? God bless all of you. Live long, take good care of yourself. Remember that Endpoint Homeopathic is still waiting for you with your ticket from Orgasm Conference to come for your free health screening. Don't let the ticket expire. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Nafa tickets now by you for Orgasm Conference. No, Fakoye Wuye or Chen Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Yamin Shra, baby, I will be as a CI. Na ye nyina ye be shia. Na ye shia dia 6th of March. Unti BBAsia 0277 609 644. Go and join me on my YouTube. Go and just like the page. Go and subscribe to the page. Councillor Lutrot is there. My Instagram, Councillor Lutrot. My Facebook, Councillor Lutrot. My Twitter, Councillor Lutrot. BBI, Councillor Lutrot. Back up. Omo Kenina, Bandes, when you know me page. Me pen and me page now. I mean, shram. Me don't pa. Me might be some wadi bioma. Me pay what you want. Wow. I love you. Menfa Ohian, Enka, Enkwasasem. Hashtag. Don't allow a poor man to marry you. Ohian, wadi, and you woo. And then, me that's you. Bye bye, you.